Hey there, Taurus. I'm Sandy Anastasi, psychic channel, intuitive astrologer, and soul coach. And I'm here with your astrological and psychic predictions for October of 2018. This month, your emotional focus is on your finances, Taurus. Wow. I know you often focus on finances, so that might not be a surprise, but this month, that focus is intense. You see, you're looking at your skills, you're looking at your abilities, your natural talents that you would like to put your time and energy into and get reimbursed for. You're looking at maybe even how to get income, more income from the present job, from investments, and from those natural skills. Taurus, this is not a pipe dream. Your dream, whatever it may be, is fully possible. And my friend, it is easily within your grasp. And this is the month to really plan it out and even maybe to take some action on it. Your creativity is peaking. You're attracting attention from the right people. And, this is big, Lady Luck is with you. The right partner could definitely help with your endeavors right now. Please make sure that your chosen partner is bringing something of equal value to the table. If you have children, much of this information will also apply to them, most especially the oldest. Have a great, wonderful Halloween month. That's how I think of October. And I'll be back next month with more predictions for you. And meanwhile, please head on over to my website. I'm at www.sandyanastasi.com. While you're there, sign up for my free monthly newsletter and my free psychic hour that I do monthly. It's coming up soon, so make sure you sign up for that early. And on that psychic hour, as you know, you get to interact directly with me and even ask me your personal psychic-related questions. Also, I want you, when you're on my website, to check out my new classes. I have my Tarot 1 and my Tarot 2 that have just been released. They are wonderful classes. And this month, October, I'm releasing a Psychic Protection Tips class. These are brand new. They're cutting-edge technology, and they are amazing. If you want to learn, it's the best way to do it right now. And folks, also on my website, you can read up on everything else that I'm doing, including my upcoming psychic cruise, my upcoming psychic development classes in Tampa. It's all there. And I'll be back next month with more predictions for you. Bye-bye.